A 5-minute video series with useful facts that's going to help you to start your online business, hopefully by next weekend. So grab your coffee, grab something to write with, and a notepad, because you're definitely going to want to take some notes. My name is Sai, and I'm the owner of She Has to Be Chic Boutique, an online jewelry and accessory company. As you can tell by the title, I'll be providing you with 5-minute videos with simple facts on how you can successfully start an online business. This is episode 1 of my new series. So, it all started with a passion project. I don't know about you, but I have lots of things that I'm passionate about, but I have a hard time finding the time and knowing where to start. Many of us have passion projects, but have no clue where to begin. Don't worry, I was there too. But I'll help you today to capitalize on your passion. So sit back and enjoy the ride. So why did I start my passion project, a jewelry and accessories boutique? Well, that's a simple answer. I have 3 reasons why I started my online boutique, and I'm going to tell you all about it. I love accessorizing. Anytime you look at me, I always have some sort of unique earrings or cute necklace that I'm wearing, and people always ask me, where'd you get that from? And I just love accessories. I just love to dress up any outfit that I have. You know, you can take a basic t-shirt and jeans and cute heels and wear like some really fly jewelry and make it look really expensive. So I love accessorizing, and I just want everybody else to be able to accessorize like me. Supplemental income. I don't know about you, but I'm always looking for ways in which I can save money. I currently work 2 jobs. My second job is a retail job. I really don't want to do it. So I'd much rather start my own online business. That way I can do something that I'm passionate about and make extra money on the side. Finally, having the time. I don't know about you, but time is something that I never have enough of. But recently, I've actually had ample time to get stuff done. So I decided, why not capitalize on my passion project, which was starting an online store. And that's the last reason why I began doing my online boutique. It's a really great website called Daring to Live Fully, and it has really great tips on how you can start your passion project. As a matter of fact, there's actually 14 tips, and there was a couple of them that I actually used when I did my research, and I have it linked below. That way you have some reference material just like I did. Author Marilisa Fabrica defines a passion project as an activity or enterprise that you decide to take on, usually in your spare time, in order to gain some benefit for yourself. That is, it's a challenge that you willingly embrace because you hope to gain something from it. Like I mentioned before, on the website Daring to Live Fully, the author tells you about how you can capitalize on your passion. And like I said, it has 14 steps that I think will benefit you. I have it linked below. That way you can go to it and you can read it. You can actually share with other people. But it has some really great content, and it really gives you a place to start. Guess what? We've come to the end of our 5-minute video. That went quick, right? Now that you've heard about my passion project, drop down in the comment section and tell me all about what you're passionate about, and let's have a dialogue. Hey, you there. Before you go, don't forget to like, share, and of course, subscribe.